China's military aviation ambitions have taken a bold and symbolic leap forward as the country officially nicknamed its next-generation carrier-based stealth fighter the Blue Shark, signaling not just a branding decision but a declaration of intent. The aircraft, known formally as the Shenyang J-35, is now moving steadily toward mass deployment at sea, marking a transformative moment for the People's Liberation Army Navy and its evolving blue water capabilities. The nickname Blue Shark evokes a predatory dominance beneath and above the ocean surface, reflecting China's strategic vision of projecting power far beyond its coastal boundaries. As the aircraft transitions from testing phases to operational readiness, defense analysts across the globe are closely watching what this development means for the balance of power in the Indo-Pacific and beyond. The J-35 program has been years in the making, rooted in China's determination to close the technological gap with Western fifth-generation fighters while tailoring its capabilities specifically for naval operations. Unlike its sibling, the land-based J-20, the J-35 has been engineered with aircraft carrier compatibility in mind, incorporating design features that allow it to operate effectively from China's expanding fleet of carriers. These include reinforced landing gear, folding wings, and structural modifications necessary for catapult-assisted takeoff and arrested recovery systems. With the introduction of more advanced carriers such as the Fujian aircraft carrier, which is equipped with electromagnetic catapult technology, the J-35 is poised to become the centerpiece of China's carrier air wings. The choice of the nickname Blue Shark is particularly telling. In maritime culture, sharks symbolize stealth, speed, and lethal precision, qualities that align closely with the operational philosophy behind the J-35. The blue aspect ties the aircraft directly to naval operations, reinforcing its role as a guardian and enforcer of China's maritime interests. This branding also serves a psychological purpose, projecting an image of confidence and deterrence to potential adversaries while boosting domestic pride in China's growing military prowess. Technologically, the J-35 represents a significant advancement over earlier Chinese naval aircraft such as the J-15, which itself was derived from older Soviet-era designs. The J-35 incorporates stealth shaping, internal weapons bays, advanced avionics, and sensor fusion capabilities that allow it to operate in contested environments with reduced radar visibility. Its design suggests a focus on multi-role versatility, enabling it to perform air superiority missions, strike operations, and reconnaissance tasks with equal effectiveness. This flexibility is crucial for carrier-based operations, where space and resources are limited, and each aircraft must be capable of fulfilling multiple roles. The development of the J-35 also reflects broader shifts in China's military doctrine. Traditionally focused on territorial defense, China is increasingly embracing a more expeditionary posture, seeking to protect its interests along critical sea lanes and in distant regions. The deployment of stealth fighters on aircraft carriers is a key component of this strategy, enabling the PLA Navy to extend its reach and maintain a persistent presence in strategic waterways. With the J-35, China is not just enhancing its defensive capabilities but also building the tools necessary for power projection on a global scale. International reactions to the emergence of the Blue Shark have been mixed, ranging from cautious acknowledgement to outright among rival powers. Military analysts in the United States and allied nations have noted that while the J-35 may not yet match the full capabilities of platforms like the F-35 Sea Lightning II, its rapid development and potential for mass production could pose a significant challenge in the years ahead. The emphasis on quantity alongside quality is a hallmark of China's defense strategy, and the J-35 appears to embody this approach. At the same time, questions remain about certain aspects of the aircraft's performance, including its engine technology and overall reliability. China has made notable progress in developing indigenous jet engines, but historically, this has been an area where it has lagged behind Western counterparts. The success of the J-35 in operational settings will depend in part on how effectively these challenges are addressed. Nevertheless, the pace of advancement suggests that China is closing the gap faster than many had anticipated. The strategic implications of the J-35's deployment extend beyond individual aircraft capabilities. They are closely tied to the broader evolution of China's carrier program, which has seen rapid expansion over the past decade. From the refurbished Liaoning to the domestically built Shandong and the advanced Fujian, China is steadily building a fleet capable of sustained operations far from home waters. The integration of a stealth fighter like the J-35 into these carrier groups significantly enhances their combat effectiveness, enabling them to operate in high-threat environments with greater survivability. Moreover, the introduction of the Blue Shark is likely to influence regional dynamics, particularly in the South China Sea and the Western Pacific. Countries in these regions are already navigating complex security environments, and the addition of advanced Chinese carrier-based stealth fighters adds another layer of complexity. It may prompt increased investment in counter-stealth technologies, air defense systems, and allied cooperation as nations seek to maintain strategic balance. Domestically, the unveiling of the Blue Shark nickname has been accompanied by a surge of national pride and media attention within China. State media has highlighted the aircraft as a symbol of technological achievement and military modernization, emphasizing its role in safeguarding national sovereignty and maritime interests. This narrative aligns with broader efforts to promote self-reliance in defense technology and to showcase China's emergence as a leading global power. The journey of the J-35 from concept to near deployment has not been without challenges. Developing a carrier-based stealth fighter is a complex undertaking that requires mastery of multiple advanced technologies, from material science to avionics integration.